If you're a Gmail user, our Chrome extension has a way to ride along with you while you're browsing your emails, and it can help to extract files from your inbox to send them directly to Trustworthy. Let's do this. I'm going to open up my Chrome extension. I'm going to click the Gmail button. And if I open up an email that has attachments, you'll see the Chrome extension finds the attachments from that message. And now I can choose to send them to Trustworthy. I can send them straight to my inbox, or if I know exactly where they need to go, I can browse to that spot and send them right there. For now, I'm going to send them to the inbox. The next time we log into Trustworthy, we'll find those files in our inbox and we can move them to the right spot. Now I'm logged back into Trustworthy. Those files that I sent from my Gmail using the Chrome extension are sitting here in my inbox now. I can see that Autopilot's analyzed them, knows what to do with them, and it's suggesting that I create a new life insurance tile for each of them. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Create my tile. I'm going to drag this file over to the policy block, and where it says autofill details, I'm just going to review those. They look good, and I'm going to accept all. And now those are updated. What I like to do is then update this title, and we'll call this David's Life Insurance.